A few weeks ago, I watched a video on YouTube about radars in submarines and stuff, and I came across something really amazing right here. I need to build that. So while doing research on information about radar, I couldn't really find anything. All I found was just information about what it was, a few diagrams, and just images of what it was, until I remembered. There's actually something called an Arduino board. So basically, what is it? It's basically a board, but we put in our codings and stuff. Usually we would use C++ as a coding language because it's good for coding. Usually we pop it in, plug it into a different device, and usually it would do what we ask it to do. Now what I will be using for this project instead is a 𝗘𝗶𝗶𝗲𝗏𝗃. It's a better version of an Arduino. It's a modded version as well, which is important, and there are some features that are better than a normal Arduino Uno. So after finding about the 𝗘𝗶𝗶𝗃𝗏, I thought with myself, so here it is. This is the 𝗘𝗶𝗶𝗃𝗏. So what's so special about using the 𝗘𝗶𝗶𝗃𝗏? Well, it has embedded coding inside it already as you buy it. So for example, if you get the pin number 2 and pin number 8, they have their own functions already, like using the buzzer or using the action button. So this can really help a lot when it comes to coding in all the coding into the Arduino. Now I have to find something else for the radar. It can't just rely on one board. So I also found another part. It's called the ultrasonic sensor. So on the right side it's going to be shooting out a few sound waves, and when it hits the object back, it's going to go to the other side and receive the information on distance and time. That's it. So here's the coding for the Arduino. Now I put this all into Arduino IDE, and I will update it into my Arduino board later. This is basically it. It's crazy how only this can actually run the whole radar. It's just a little bit, but yeah, I'll see you. So right now I'm just connecting the breadboard with the Arduino board, the 𝗘𝗶𝗶𝗃𝗏, and then I'll be connecting the servo motor with pin number 12, and also the breadboard for electricity and the ground wire. I'll be connecting the ultrasound sensor with the breadboard as well, and this time I'll be plugging into pin number 10 and pin number 11. Yeah, that's basically it. Right now I'm just taping it around so that it stays in place. Just the wires though, so if I'm wanting to repair anything, it's a bit more easier to take it out because it's going to be in one piece. That's all. So here's the build. I got the servo motor connected to the breadboard, connected to the Arduino 𝗘𝗶𝗶𝗃𝗏, and I also connected it together with the ultrasonic sensor. Now what this is gonna do is basically when I turn it on, put in the coding and stuff, this will be turning, and I will be sticking this together, and which will also turn the whole everything together, just like that, just like a normal radar. So here's the product, up close and much more detailed. Here's 𝗘𝗹𝗶𝗇𝗏𝗃𝗏 sheep. It's made from wood. It's just a board. It's being applied on both sides, so it's being a bit more fashionable. We've got the ultrasonic sensor, the servo motor, and both of these are all connected to this one motherboard. Now all the coding is from Arduino IDE, and I uploaded it using my computer. So we can see this cable is connected all the way to my laptop. Right now we can see it's running processing. So this is basically JavaScript. I managed to script in a bit. I will put the resource codes down in the descriptions. You can check my Google Drive, and I need to tell you that there are some stuff that you might want to change according to your likings, like the resolution, your different comms and stuff. So, time for the moment of truth. Does this thing actually work, or is it going to fail? Let's see. So, we've got it all plugged in. All we have to do is click run. Hold on. We'll click run. And there you have it. That's the radar. So the closer the object gets, the closer the red bar gets to the very middle of the screen. Now from here we could also see that it will also calculate the distance, the angle as well. So yeah, it works. So that's the model, Arduino radar, or should I say 𝗘𝗹𝗶𝗇𝗶𝗯𝗲𝗽. So what can you do with 𝗘𝗹𝗶𝗇𝗶𝗍? Now you can basically put it anywhere you want that you think needs more security. For example, so one example that I can show you is by putting it up in your cupboard. If you see right here. Now when the model is there, when the door opens, it will be able to detect movement, and from there you can tell that someone actually came in. Or you can put it as low as you want. What do I mean by that? Now, we could also put it down there. So when there's movement, like a door, it will detect the movement, the door's movement. And if someone walks through it, it could also basically detect the footsteps. So that's basically it. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment on what you think about this product. Remember, links in the description below. All the resource codes for both Arduino Eye and also for processing, I'll be putting them down there. And yeah, hope you have a lovely day. That's all from me. Thank you.